how to fix Outlook problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Outlook and then click on it, and now go to storage, clear data, and then clear data, click clear data and click OK, and then click force stop. Now go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to Play Store and type here Outlook and check if there's any update, and if you can't find any update here, now click uninstall and then install it again and try again, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.